Hi! If you have eWeLink, then you will enjoy to have your devices available on Home Assistant. In this video, I will show you how to install and configure the official eWeLink add-on for Home Assistant. Let's start. Open the Home Assistant app on your browser. Click on Settings on the sidebar. In the options, select Add-ons. Click on the Add-on Store button on the bottom right of the screen. On the top right of the screen, click on the three dots. And click Repositories. Copy and paste the eWeLink add-on link. I'll leave it on the video description. Click the Add button. The add-on will appear. Close the pop-up. The add-on is now available on the add-on store page. If it doesn't appear, refresh the page. Click on the add-on and click Install. After the installation, select the options you want. I will select the Show in Sidebar option. The add-on will appear in the sidebar so you have direct access to your devices. Click on the Start link to activate the add-on. Click on the eWeLink Smart Home link on the sidebar to open the eWeLink add-on dashboard. Click on the Sign In link on the top left. You will need to log into your account to link your devices to Home Assistant. Insert your country, username and password and click the Sign In button. After signing in, you will see all your compatible devices in the add-on dashboard. You can scroll down to check if all of your devices are linked. Now let's go to the main Home Assistant dashboard. Click on the Overview link on the sidebar. On the top right of the screen, click on the three dots to customize your dashboard. Click Edit Dashboard. Now we will need to start adding elements to the dashboard. Click the Add Card button. In the Cards pop-up, I will select the button card. You can select whatever cards you wish to add to the dashboard. You can define which device you want to control with this button in the Entity Combo box. After choosing your device, click Save. Let's add another card. Click Add Card again. This time I'll choose an entity card, so I can have several buttons in one card to control my devices. You can select the devices you wish to add to the card in the entities list. I'll leave it like this. After selecting your devices, click the Save button. Back on the dashboard, click the Done button on the top right of the screen. Now let's try the added buttons. I'll turn on the entrance stairs. Oops! I got an error. Don't worry, this has a solution. If I try the balcony button, I'll get the exact same error. So, let's solve this. Click on Settings on the sidebar. Click on Add-ons. Select the eWeLink add-on. To solve the problem, we will have to copy some code to include in the configuration file. If you scroll down in the add-on screen, you'll see a troubleshoot area where is the code that we'll have to copy. So, select all the code and copy it. Open your favorite file editor in Home Assistant. With your file editor opened, select the configuration file to edit it. Paste the copied code to the end of the file. Click Save. For this to result, we have to restart Home Assistant. So, click Settings on the sidebar and select System. Click Restart. After restarting, return to the Overview dashboard. Now try to turn on and off some of your devices. It's working. No more errors. You can customize your dashboard as you like, adding your devices and organizing them as you wish. That's it. You have installed the official eWeLink add-on and Home Assistant. I hope this video helped you. If you liked the video, please consider to subscribe, it's free. And if it helped you, please press the like button. This way you will be helping the channel to create more content like this. Thank you for watching the video.